is it again?
Craigie Hill.
Craigie Hill. Yeah.
It's in Craigie.
Craigie. Oh no.
You're covering
Craigie Hill. I'm going to pass it on to my sister. Right.
Why? We're still in the convertible, guys, but we're going home and then we're gonna go to KFC.
I started.
And then we're gonna go to KFC for dinner, and then we're gonna go on loads of rides and stuff there, and then we're gonna see the big bonfire. What do you mean we're gonna ride Chicken Goose? I want to see that dance again.
Because I'm a Chicken John.
Bro, she's crazy.
Okay, Maria.
Okay.
We're just heading to KFC now.
No, we're not. We're heading home.
And then we head to KFC or home.
We're going to go home first and then we'll go to KFC.
Oh, so we're going home and then we're going to
That's what I said.
KFC and then we're going to the bonfire.
already
So-
said that.
And then I'm just going. Sorry about that, but I just changed the camera. I'll just. I can't wear, and this is what I'm wearing. That's what Maria wears. That's what my daddy wears, and that's what my mommy wears. Sorry if you can't see the way mommy's, but I'll. No, Mum, look at your outfit. Try and show your outfit, and I can have
Hello.
the red. And then
What's wrong, girls?
no.
What's wrong? What's the smell?
There's something here. Something here. Girl, what you doing? Wait, Marie, grab your seatbelt one. Hi guys, we just made this awesome thing. So let me do a quick recap. So it goes here, a zigzag, around here, a little, and then if you can see, can I have it? If you can see, it's down there. So, sorry about that. And then it goes around and down, and then it comes, and then
Some
it
balls stuck in
comes,
there, look. I can see
and
one.
then you need to. If the ball gets stuck, don't worry, I can get it out. And then it comes. Oh no. Don't worry. I'm gonna do it quicker first. And this is my little guy. Isn't he adorable? I just found out that he's real. 3, 2, 1. You need to know.
Ooh, is it going to make it the whole way?
Zigzag. And then. And
Yay!
here it comes. That's how far. I'll record my mummy now. Mum, can I have it?
Yeah. Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
We're ready.
I'm gonna use this one. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get very far. Made it. I'll try the smaller one. I think the smaller one's a bit faster.
Now it's back to me again. Guys, so come and see this. Look at this. And this is where Stitch home is. I just found out that he's real. He needs somewhere to sleep. Where could he sleep? Comment below where he could sleep. I don't know.
You could make him.
Look at my cute Barbie.
You could make him a house in the blue house over there.
Oh yes. Thank you, Mom. Now I'm going to get the blue. Oh, that's hard. Come and see what's inside. Oh, it's hard. Oh. Okay, this is all the things. Don't worry. This can get back together.
I'll connect it. I'll connect it for you.
Now I've got. Now I'm gonna go. So this is the thing, and it looks so realistic. So first we're gonna put it right there. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, popped on my ear. I was just kidding. That's what I puts that right there. And then here is Blue's lunchbox. I know it looks like Peppa Pig, but it isn't. So we're just gonna put it right there. Here is all the food. So,
Yummy vegetables, is it?
yeah.
What have we got?
So we've got salad.
Salad.
Carrot. We've got everyone. And then we've got tea. And then here's the sofa. Now, right here. The other sofa. Oh no, the fork. All I can find is just a fork, so that's easy. Oh my god. Comment below if you're a subscriber. Here's just a bed. Stitch. Here is Blue's bed. I don't know. Come on, guys. Oh no, not enough. Now we're going to decorate the front yard. The front yard is my favorite.
Well, Louisa, we're going to get ready to go soon. It's nearly time to go.
We're going to see the biggest bonfire. Luckily, we can. Yeah, this is what I'm going to wear. I know it looks.
Right, let's see a little outfit of the day.
And then I just need to. So the front yard definitely needs this slide. So first we're going to move that ball and put it right there. And if you can, the door opens and locks. Can you stop recording?
I was just going to record this.
And guys, now we're going to put in this chair. It's going to be right here. And then there's one more thing I need to add on. Oh, guys, here's Bingo's bed. There. The last thing is this. What is this doing on here? And now,
Lovely.
and ice cream.
Oh, there's Merlin in. There's Merlin in to say hello.
Merlin. And then here's my little Stitch. Merlin.
Merlin.
No.
Merlin.
The last thing that we need to add on.
Hi guys, so we're on our way to Bonfire. We've just stopped because we need some diesel in our car, but we're gonna be there in about 10 to 20 minutes. Yeah.
There's Dad.
Dave. My dad. My dad.
He's my Dave is his actual name, but we call him Dad. We got married to my mom, so that
He's just getting the diesel.
Everyone, anything? must be able to get up. Look, you must be able to get up and down through. See?
Oh, Dad, remember that? The frog thing. Dad, can we do that thing, that goes backwards?
No, Maria, no, honestly.
Mum, can